Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a triangle from Save the Shapes, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing that triangle. So on the top in the center here, we're going to round out that edge, and then we're going to pull this line down on a diagonal. We're going to start back in the middle. So again, rounding that edge out on the top, pulling this over and through on a diagonal, ending that at the same height. Let's round the edge out. So we're going to curve this over, and then we're going to tuck this, flattening this out, coming in towards the middle. We'll round the opposite edge out, and then again, pulling this over and through towards the center. Let's move up. Let's split the face in half. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a circle for that left eye. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the inside edge, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil. Let's come in on the top. Let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then we'll just color in our eye black. Let's draw on the eyebrows. Stepping up, we're going to curve this line across on a diagonal. And then on the inside, we're just going to round that out again, bringing this over and through underneath. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's come down for the mouth, and we're going to arch this line across towards the right. And then stepping underneath on the inside, just curving this down and through on the right. For the teeth, we're just going to curve this line across again towards the right. And then we're going to arch that tongue up in the opposite direction. Let's draw on the lips surrounding this now. So right in the center, we're going to curve this out, around, pulling that back in towards the middle, just following around the mouth. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come across for the arms. So stepping up, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal. And then we're going to drop down, replicating that again, ending that at the same width. Let's move up for the wrist. So stepping up, we're going to curve this down, across, and then back in. Now for the thumb in the center, we're going to arch this line up. Let's draw on our thumb. So we're going to curve this line out, around, tucking that back down. Let's leave a gap as we come up. We're going to curve this line across, and this is the line where all of our fingers are going to join. Let's start with that first finger. So we're going to curve this line up, around, tucking that in towards the top. Come back in towards the middle, arching this around and down. And then one last time from that corner, curving this around and back in, just leaving a gap as we come through towards the bottom. And then we'll round at the bottom of the palm, just curving this over, connecting that, pulling that back in. Now for our legs. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down on both sides. We'll step across, lining this up at the same height, replicating that, so pulling this back up. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line, stretching that out. Let's come in behind, arching this around, pulling that through, tucking that in on the side. Let's come down for the foot. On the back, curving this down towards the bottom. And then we're going to curve this line out. Now from that edge, we're going to round this out on the top, curving this around, tucking that back in. And then we'll close off the sole of the shoe curving that across. And that is it. That's how you draw a triangle from Save the Shapes. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.